The district administration on the 12th of May 2021 has declared the entire area of Nongkseh situated in 3rd Mile Upper Shillong as containment zone. This decision was taken after having witnessed the surge of positive cases which may be declared as a community spread in the area. Members of the DORBAR of Nongkseh, the Block Development Officer of MYLLIEM C&RD Block, doctors of the SHASTRI Memorial Clinic Nongkseh, government officials and members of the COVID Management Committee had jointly decided to contain the entire Nongkseh locality as a containment zone for a period of 10 days. Speaking to Media Plus, the SHNONG of Nongkseh, A.L. Thankeu, said that the DORBAR SHNONG has agreed to the government order of declaring Nongkseh as a containment zone since a number of people in the area have been infected with the novel coronavirus. Thankeu expressed his concern for the daily wage earners and laborers of the area, but also appealed to the residents to cooperate with district authorities for the good of all.
Spread of the community spread jadi saya nak lihat kasong lagi nang stick bah volunteer di biang bah di sang sabla di biang bah jika covid team di biang bah dan wala kata ni jing spread long baju tu ada dia beraya perkalan bagi beliau serkar one video dengan MYLLIEM dia di blog di doktor juga SHASTRI MEMBERS.OF itu officer buat lang serkar paling do dan ada daya keren bah lah discuss bah lah iba tangguh galat wala persia spread to the covid itu jadi containment bisa dengan containment lah langsung long lah dengan hang SHNONG dengan bagi kuat benda maka tak sebut maka setu ini kamtam ini dengan belas ni mesti doktor ini belas ni tak ada bagi orang dah ini babu serkar dia tak dekat petak itu mah proses jadi tak tu cuma bersih ni ya kuat bagi rai tolong dia juga kontinmen.
The Secretary of the Nongkseh COVID Management Committee, SHNONG, also spoke on the decision made by the government with regards to declaration of Nongkseh as a containment area. He was of the opinion that this decision would enable the DORBAR SHNONG and Health Department to go in for contact tracing during the 10-day containment period.
Long ko ba than yang ngoi kan ni tang ba han rei anum don pat dakawai galat ke banyada lane ke ban la ban khanglat ya ke sapriang ke jong ni yang jepang ke kumtaru da kan ni ka kalong bangin kentu ki SHNONG makin buram makin pedang ya kan ni karai ka ba sarkar kalale om dai bengi le nam ta ke dai na ka banta ka jingha pa nam ta ka jingbet jingbiang jong ka SHNONG ka ko jongi jong ki SHNONG ki jongi bat kumju ki SHNONG ka ba marjam bangi na makan lain na kanu kanu jing kanang kurset no kumba kalong mata ka SHNONG jing ladan laingut di positif di bala klat nakadaw jong ni ka nyang dengin ko akin ba kindang dan sukum kita ma kena kata daw yimbat seban ya pedang ya kene ka ke ba sarkar kala pa ya SHNONG jing